There we go. Ooh. Man, look at that dirt gobbler's nest. Wow. Okay. What about it?
Alright.
All right, here we go. Got the motor and transmission out today. There it is right there, all bagged up. I'm gonna go ahead and put a new right and left lower control arm in. As you can see right here, nothing's rusted out on both sides. So I'm gonna go ahead with a right and a left. And let's see, got my 2-inch drop springs right there, idle arm, ball joints, tie rods, everything to do the front end. Alright, got another day started here. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing tore down. Lower control arms, upper springs, everything, all my steering rods, get it tore down so we can start cleaning it up. Here we go. Alright, dropped it on out of there. Put a little heat to it. A lot more hitting around and carrying on. Lowered the jack. Did pretty much everything, just kind of rolled on out. So. Alright, on the driver's side here, I'm going to do it the same way. I got the pin out of the bolt, the nut. I'll go ahead and take this off. I got a little pressure into this lower control arm. And I'll get my fork in here and separate this ball joint here. And lower my jack down. Spring and everything should fall right out. Then I'll go ahead and get this one out. I'll separate this one right here. Probably a little different than the way I've done the other side. We'll see. First thing is, get the bolt out and start forking up under it. Here we go. I'm going to leave that unloosed just a little bit. When I get the fork in here, things should fall and land on top of that nut, and then I'll be able to pull it out without it falling on my foot. Let's see what happens. There it goes. All right, here we go. After everything's out, this side probably didn't take me no more than 15 minutes to take out. Had a little problem here on the passenger side on this lower ball joint, but it worked out. So got to get everything cleaned up. Probably go ahead and paint the firewall. That's what we're looking at right there. I still got to get this upper ball joint here out because I'm using these upper control arms. So yeah, I'm gonna get to cleaning. I'm gonna leave it at that. Catch you on the next one. Take it easy.